Oh yeah, today cooking lessons. Cooking lesson. We got steak. Steak. We got steak right here, right here. Show here, show here. Oh yeah, steak. See, and them shiitake shroomies. Shiitake shroomies. Oh yeah. Complete seasoning here. See, complete. No, complete shit. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Complete seasoning. We're gonna put on it. Put on this. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Looking very good. Looking very good. And then we're gonna grab a little beer. A little beer. Nobody under 21. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, and moss on the shroomies too. Very important. And that's it. Close it up. Wait. Gonna flip it in about, 3 minutes. Gonna flip. No, maybe a little more. 5 minutes we're gonna flip because always cook on slow temperature. Slow temperature is very important. So the slower you cook, less hot the plate, the better it's gonna taste. Oh yeah, we come back when it's ready. Yes. Thank you for watching. Oh yeah, sure.